Check it out, everybody. What's up? Did a live stream right now. While Bitcoin is falling out of bed like I predicted. I've been predicting this shit for the last, what? Since when? You guys know my last videos, what? Since the 8th, 10th. I put a short position on right here. My short position on is right here where this red marker is right here at 17,300. I'm attempting to buy it back at the 13,000 level. I should put a green one right here so we can indicate that. Let's see, buy back right here. Turn this green. Hey, come here. Get over here. Oh, maybe a darker green. Yeah, lighter green. Yeah, that's better. Now, as we fall out of bed, this is an hour candle. It's been falling since the last 2-3 hours. How far will it go? We don't know, but I will attempt to make some profits, take some profits. It may stop right here. Last time it was here, it stopped. Let me see. Go to my other screen and see where I'm at as far as profits go. If I do take profit, if I do, I don't think I will. It's not nothing. Let's see. 29, 31. Where's my damn calculator at? Where are thou, calculator? Three, six. Damn, where my damn thing at? All right, 3-point calculator. All right. Sorry if you hear my ant miner burning back there. I wonder if anybody's gonna actually come and watch this. I got a new channel, so oh, somebody's watching me. Somebody's watching me. Yeah. Hey, what's up? What's up? This line right here is where I went short on Bitcoin, sold my Bitcoin, and this is where I'm attempting to buy it back. So this green is it says 17,300. I'm in profit right now. I got short up here. I've been waiting on this to fall since the 8th. Today is the 13th, December 13th. And I've been waiting. I think I got in this trade on I got some videos where I got in this trade on the 10th, I believe 10th, 11th, or 12th, something like that. I can't really remember. I think I got in like right here. Yeah, I think that's where I got in the 11th or the 12th. Now it was the 11th because I know I've been holding this short position for a long time, waiting on this to fall out the bed. Who knows how far it's gonna fall? That's the problem. That's what I'm struggling with right now. That's a nice little red. Litecoin is falling out. Bitcoin's falling out. They're dumping it right now. I don't know. I want it to really fall, but I want to try to capture. If it starts going back positive, turning green, I'm gonna slide my, and I'm gonna slide this take profit up right here. I'm placing trades in right here on BitMEX. You'll find a link below. You can slide these. You can actually trade on the chart. Trade right in the chart itself, and it's a lot of fun, especially when you're in profit by about what, 34. What is the real profit? Let's see. Highlighted, it is 35. If you highlight over this unrealized P&L, it shows you what the profit would be if you were to take it right now, based on the order book, not based on where the price is right now. And that's really what you want to base it on, the order book, because somebody's got to buy it from you, which is someone right here. So that price right there is a little different. The order book is, you know, I'd have to zoom in because I got it grouped every 250. If I click that, it resets it just by one click, so I can actually see what the actual orders are. There's $400,000 that somebody wants to sell right here. I'm buying back when it gets down here. I wanted to break this. I just want it to fall right out of bed. Like, that's what I keep saying that because that's what it's doing, and I don't care what anyone says. So let me see if I can get this thing to share my world. Don't you leave. Oh, here we go. Share. There it is. Come here. Copy. Long got liquidated. Copy. Tweet. Here we go. Get that out the way. All right. I gotta put the right label on this. That's definitely not it. Bitcoin is falling out of bed. Let me do this reload. Okay, go back over here. Switch to subject.
Okay, Google, what is the best dance club?
I found a few top-rated places within 2 months.
Bitcoin is falling. Who's dumping Bitcoin? Thank you. Thank you. Now just dump some more right now. Get this damn thing below this resist. This is a support line level right here. But let's go. Oh, it already broke it. It's not going to break on this dumbass BitMEX. There are kind of like, you know, that's why I don't trade on this. They hit stops and then they don't break when they're supposed to break. That's been broken. This resistance right here has broken already, and I'm going to show you. Wow, I got an incoming call. Pause. But I'll show you first. Boom. I gotta take this call. This is where it's broken, the resistance right here. Hello? This is Antoine who's calling. Not interested. No, thank you. Now look, it broke through, and it broke through on the other one. But look, on the other side, look how far it broke through on that end. That is crazy. Here's the resistance. The farther it goes, the more dough I make. Yes. I'm already at 100. I just want not more dough, but I'll make more Bitcoin. Put it that way. I really do want more Bitcoin. That's all I'm really in here trading for. But look, you see that pullback right there? I don't even have the proper thing up right now. I'm just too excited. Let me get back to my P's and Q's. Which one is it? There it is. Bring your ass here. That doesn't look like they're dumping, but they are dumping. That's what's crazy about reading this thing right here. You read that, your ass would be all fucked up. They ain't got no buyers right here. This is an illusion. It's a mirage. Look, there's zeros. There's probably like 7 right here, but look, 12. Look at these fat bars, 24, and they're dumping. So these people are gonna want to catch up to where the dump is happening. They don't want to miss out on dumping this shit. You know what I'm saying? So let's watch the dump. How far is it gonna get to here? Well, we don't want to base any trades on this chart right here. This is a 1 hour candle chart, and maybe I should flip it to a 15-minute so we can get into the dig into the action here. It's got to break here, or it's got to break here. So it's broke here, then it's got to break here. It's already broken there. The next, I would say, would be right here. I want to mark this off. Here we go. All right, now I'm gonna break it right here. It's gonna break. The next breaking point I want to see is like right here, where they started buying back at. They started buying back like right here. Well, maybe it's right here. It does look like it's right here. There's a lot of buyers right here at 16,300. Put one there. Put another one down here at the bottom of it. And then it kind of got bought up right here. So I'll put one more right here. One more. And it may not reach where I got my buy levels way down here. I think it's going all the way down to 13. A lot of people are saying it's going to go all the way down to 10 because of this trend line right here. But look how long it might take forever to get down there. So I want to take profit and then buy back. But I want to get my profit up to like at least 100. Like right now it's at 100. Like what, 0085 is what? Let me see. Let's go check the other chart out. Wait a minute. If we close that market right here, that's what I would be able to get. 85. I can't find my dang. Oh, there it is. Okay. So what's 85? Oh, that's a good, nice penny. 87. That's a nice, pretty penny right there. As long as it's getting liquidated. See, it turned green. What does that actually mean? No one knows. Look at all these sellers jumping in the market. 1 hour chart. So let's go to the chart that I'm actually trading off of now. As long as they're getting liquidated. How do I get there? All right, here it is. Boom. Now this is Coinbase. So these are the same levels that they have to basically penetrate these. But look like we're getting hung up right here. So we are getting hung up right here, even though this is red as hell. 15.9, 1600. Buyers are buying right now. RSI hasn't turned back up. This is turning red. I could take some profit right now and buy back in when it gets higher up here and sell back in. That's a green. Something tell me it's going to get pushed even further down, so I'll just hold it. don't know. It seemed like it's falling pretty fast. This could be the last place it stops at though, so I don't want to be an idiot and not maximize my game. Pull up this. There's three. They're buying. Yeah, they're buying. They like this price to buy at. Let's see. 61. They're buying pretty fast too. Watch out, here come the sellers. Here come the sellers. $16,200. It was just at 15,900. Okay, I gotta pause it. Sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. They just push back through. And go figure, BitMEX hasn't moved. They're still green. Yeah. You can't just trade by looking at this chart. You'll be and this is on the 15-minute right here. So this should have been moved right here. Let's go now. I'm tracking this because this is actually where my money is actually located. And right now it's way down here somewhere, my money. Gotta be able to pull out back up when I get a chance. Let's just pull this out. Let's just keep watching this. If I go back on this side of the screen now, let's go back. All right, check it out. Kind of like right there. This is the same. This is Coinbase on the right here. So buyers coming in with at 15.8. All right, 15.8, 15. What's this? 26 Bitcoin at 15.8. Longs getting liquidated. Margin calling. They call it they margin calling longs right now. All right. Nice to see them falling out of the bed. Yep, it bounced right off there. Right off there. I should have put the marker in right here. No, where's that marker? Let's go back. Look at that. It's up there. That looks like it. This is the marker right here. Back up to 16 that fast. That's crazy, right? Those are the buyers. I'm trying to monitor these buyers because that's when I want to get out. Right about here, it looks like buyers. Well, here goes some sellers kicking back in. What's the price of this? That's a nice fat amount of sellers right at 16.3. All right, that means they're still trying to sell. They're dumping this shit right now. super dump on Bitcoin. I'm dumping Bitcoin right now. That's what they're saying. Come catch all this Bitcoin I'm dumping on y'all. Y'all buyers are getting like, we're running out of buyers. So the less buyers we have, the lower the price is going to go if they keep dumping. But look, that's a lot of buyers right there, right? I don't think this thing can keep up fast enough. Maybe this is a realistic 40 Bitcoin, 30, 20 Bitcoin. Because this doesn't look like it's giving me a good representation like this. Maybe this is better to go by than that. That's what I'm trying to see, because it's still going up. And this is like saying this, it was saying there were no buyers. And I was kind of deceiving right here on this side of things. And I don't see any sellers for a while. So maybe I should go back over here and watch that this thing didn't even fall any further than that, huh? And this is an hour chart right here. That could be another reason. Let's go ahead and put this on a 15-minute. I'm sorry, I just don't think people want to buy Bitcoin at 16,000. If they were smart, they would let people sell their Bitcoin. But there's a lot of orders that are already left on the books that get in the way. So I'm thinking like, 16,000, I mean, I can get it for that. If it falls down right there, cool. You see that, you gotta say, which way is it going? It's gonna go up. That's what you would think. And then guess what? It might end up going down. It's hard to trade based on this market depth chart right here, which is basically just the order book. Here the orders coming in, they're all red. And they're red. And this thing flips around. You thought it was a bunch of green, so you were gonna buy right there, then it flips around on your ass. That's why you don't want to trade off of it. Oh, reply to you? Man, where'd you go? I didn't even know you were on my damn chat. Are you still there? Are you still there? Do you buy now? I'm gonna tell you when to buy. When I close my position out, that's when you buy. Hey, are you there? What's your name? Sass Pablo? I don't know. Somebody else is watching right now. Type me. I'm sorry I wasn't watching my chat. I think you gotta trade when you see me. If you want to buy back, I'm gonna buy back down here. I'll show you. I'm buying back where this green line is at 14. No. I'm buying back at like 13,000. I don't know if it's gonna fall that far though. So I'm playing it by sight. So when you see me buy my Bitcoin back, because I sold up here already, I'm gonna buy back right here on this feed so you can see me. Okay? Did you hear me? You'll see me place my buy right here. And that's when I'll tell you that's when's a good time to buy back, when I buy back in. All right, so you see it bottoming out right here. We're gonna just play this by sight. Not by the chart. And I'm basing it on Coinbase's moves, and this is Coinbase, as you can see. So just watch what I do. I'm gonna switch when I get ready to buy back. I'm gonna slide my. Let me get rid of this subject. I'm gonna slide this up right here. If you can see that, I'm gonna slide this up. I sold right here, so it's gonna come down here and I'm gonna buy back. But if it starts turning way too green and going back up, I'm gonna take this slider and I'm gonna buy it back if it doesn't fall any further. If it starts, bouncing back up like it did right here. It turned green already. But I'm not trading based on this chart. I'm trading based on GDAX, Coinbase. So on GDAX, it has a pretty good bounce up. But look at this shit over here. I don't see anything bouncing up on this side. That doesn't look like a bounce to me. 16,929. And mind you, I gotta squeeze this down and make it look more like what it's supposed to look like. Now I gotta take this and slide it down to 13,000 to make it look more like where my active order is at. We got some levels right here, sir. If you look at this, here's a level right here of resistance that it bounced off of. Then if it comes back down there, which is what it should crack through. If it doesn't, I'm going to slide this green thing up right here. I'm gonna slide this up and take profit. Oh shit, it's adding things, man. Dumbass thing. Okay, here we go. All right. I'm looking at the order book turning green. I'm playing off all this stuff. Like, see how it's turning green again? And how far up can it go before it comes back down? Maybe right now is a good time. If you plan like me, I plan on riding this thing all the way back down to 13,000. So if I buy right here, I'm gonna sell again up here. Only reason why I wanna buy back right here is so I can sell higher. And then I anticipate it moving even lower than this low. So I can buy back again and again and again. And I'm gonna rinse and repeat. So that's a good push back up right there. Like, it's found some ground. Like 15-minute chart. I got a 5-minute chart up and it doesn't look nothing like this 15-minute one. Let me see what a 15-minute looks like. Let's see. Here's the 15-minute. All right. 15-minute. See that? And the RSI is bouncing. So this would be a good time to buy back at 51. I will go back and I'll show you where I just moved my stop. Just got moved back up here. I might move it like right here. Wait for it to turn red again. Or not, depending on how much money I really want to risk giving back. See, now it's turning red. You see that? Okay, hold on. Let me reload this. Sellers are stepping back in the market. If that RSI flips down, I'm going to slide this back down. I'll show you the RSI. I'm talking about this one right here. If it flips back down, if this RSI turns back down, I'm probably going to pull this back down. Like, I'm going to slide this down right now. Those are a lot of buyers buying right now. Amending. Something happened. Short liquidations. All right, look at GDAX right now. Shashank. That's a code name. See these sellers, 28 Bitcoin, they're gonna push this back down in a second. It definitely needs a lot more buyers to push this back all the way back up. And it just looks like the buyers that are buying right now have no idea the intent. The intent is to sell this shit right now so we can buy it back at a lower price. Now, how hard and how long it's going to take it before it goes back to 13,000, I don't know. I hope it goes back down to 13,000 today. But sellers, you know, sellers want to sell for a higher price too. So it's not like they're, you know, it could be headed back up from right here. I could be fucking up right now, to tell you the truth. Because that's a long ass 15-minute wick. It's got to bounce back down though sometimes. So I'm counting on it to fall back down, and then I'm gonna buy right there. And the RSI is a dead giveaway right here that you should buy. Let's see on the 30-minute where the RSI is at. Yep, even the 30-minute saying buy, and the hour is saying don't buy. If the hour says buy, that's when I'll buy. All right. But reversals do happen. If this starts going back up, if the hourly turns up, then, you know, we're headed back up. But normally the hourly doesn't head back up till down here or right here. The last time it was heading back up right here on this level right here. If you can see this level that my cursor is outlining right here, and now it broke that. So it's got to go down here and then turn back up. Now here's a bunch of people selling off right here. 15.7. I don't know. The buyers looking like they don't want to let that shit go back down. It's hard to sell, man, where you should buy right now. If I was playing it faster, if I was being faster about it, then the resistance that you see right here set, which is at right here, 15.780. All right, buy back at 15.780. That's a resistance level. Here's this is a support level. 15.780 right here. All right, 15.780 is support. So it bounced off of there. I had drew that already too, but if I was smart, I would have bought it back right there. Now it's going to go back up to resistance, which is right here. This is a resistance level. And it's going to bounce and it's going to drop. It's going to hit. This is like a ceiling. So say if the ball was bouncing, it's going to hit that and it's going to fall back down to this. So I would say a good place to buy at would be 15.780. Because that's where we're going to be headed back down. And if we break through that, all right, we're headed back down here. So I'm going to put some balloons up so you can see. Let me put some balloons up so you can see what these prices are on these lines right here. One right, magnet, one right there. One right there. So 15.770, okay, is a good resistance. It's going to come down and then people are going to start buying the shit out of it like they just did. They did it over here too. It has history. If it comes back down there though the second time and doesn't break, like right now, it's headed back down there. If it breaks, then it's headed to this resistance level. So you can bet at 15.20 that it's going to bounce off of there too. So we're going to try to buy Bitcoin right here, and then when it comes to to the top of this support and resistance line, which is, there's one right here. We're gonna, if I can simplify it for you, like, okay, say if it comes here, we'll buy. If it comes back up here, when it does, we'll sell again. Then we'll, if it comes back down here, we'll buy again. So we can redeploy our capital. And I'll do that. I'll do that right here on my other trading platform. This is hourly. I'm gonna put the 15 minutes on so we can actually see where the green bars are and where the red bars are. Let me try to put it on 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes of turning red. We're turning red right now. 5 minute candles are turning red. RSI is getting higher though. So it's actually getting more strong. It's getting more strength to the upside. So got to be careful. It could be headed back up. That's what basically this means. This RSI is pointing us to a higher high. Buyers are stepping in. So at 41, we can, damn man, still doesn't make up for what I lost the other time. All right, let's just hold it out. Because the RSI is turning back now. At least we're gonna next turn up. Next time that RS turns up, like if this falls down, RSI goes down here. Let's say it just goes down here and then begins to turn back up again. We're gonna, when we see it a V shape, I'm going to buy back. It's starting to fall really far. I mean, not fall far, but it's starting to sell orders are piling up. These shorts are starting to pile up. Right here at this price here, was it 16.8? No, 16.3. Okay. We all know where this is headed, so I'm gonna stop streaming. And look, it's 24 right here, it's 8 right here, there's only 10 right there, and none back here. There's none back here, so this thing is gonna fall through. I'm done live streaming, so you guys take care. Happy trading. It might go back up because look at all these buyers all of a sudden appearing. But yeah, it's gonna go back up. Sorry, gotta go.